Saying goodbye to an employee is never easy, but Assembly makes collecting valuable feedback from a departing employee quick and painless with our automated exit survey workflow. To set up your automated exit survey workflow, click Add a new flow, select the exit survey template. From here, you can preview the different questions that you ask your exiting employee and click Use this template. Select the date you would like this survey to go out to your exiting employee. Set the recurrence to only once, since this will only be a one-time survey for this employee. Select the start time, and then select how long you would like to give this employee to fill out this survey. Select the exiting employee as the participant. When this flow triggers, this participant will receive an email instructing them to fill out the flow. Set the visibility to owner only so that only you can see the responses. From the template, we give you a whole list of questions that you can include in this survey. But these questions can be edited, the order can be changed, you can add new questions, or you can remove questions. This flow is fully customizable. Once your content is finalized, click Create Flow. Once the flow is created, it will run on the scheduled date and time, and the participant or participants that you selected will be prompted to fill out the survey. In the next video, I'll show you how to use the exact same survey for any exiting employee that you have to keep all of the results in the same place.